Paying your bills online sounds smart, right? No more late fees, no missed payments, and no paper clutter. But what about putting your bills on autopay? Could it actually cost you more money in the long run? According to financial experts, yes, it can. In this video, we'll break down 6 types of bills you should never put on autopay, and why. Stick around till the end for smart tips on how to use autopay the right way. First, what exactly is autopay? Autopay is an automated payment system that lets companies withdraw money from your bank or charge your card on a schedule. It's great for convenience, but it's not for every bill. Let's talk about the 6 types of bills you should think twice about before putting on autopay. Annual subscriptions. Magazine, app, or streaming service subscriptions like Netflix or Hulu might seem harmless, but 42% of people keep paying for services they don't even use. You could be losing up to $133 per year without realizing it. Always review subscriptions before renewal. Utility bills, water, electricity, gas, these bills can fluctuate every month, and errors in billing are more common than you think. Setting these on autopay might mean paying more than necessary. Review your usage before you pay. Internet or broadband looks like a fixed monthly charge? Not really. ISPs love sneaky price hikes after promo periods. That $50 monthly plan could become $80 before you know it. Don't let autopay hide those changes. Credit card bills. Auto-paying the minimum balance might keep you in debt. And if your balance is higher than expected, it could trigger overdraft fees or max out your limit. Instead, pay manually and review your spending. Auto insurance premiums. Most premiums are paid annually or semi-annually. If you're low on funds when a big payment hits, you'll overdraw your account and get slapped with fees. Also, rates change. Shopping around before renewal could save you hundreds. Memberships. From gym memberships to warehouse clubs, many of these renew automatically without you realizing. Avoid paying for a service you no longer use. Always reassess before renewal. So, when should you use autopay? Use it for bills with fixed amounts, like your mortgage or car loan. Use a credit card for autopay, not a debit card. This gives you more protection if something goes wrong. Set calendar reminders to check your balance before the payment hits. Still want that autopay convenience? Follow these expert tips. Review all autopaid statements monthly. Use budgeting tools to track what's coming out. For variable bills, make time once a week or month to review and pay manually. Your wallet will thank you. So before you set it and forget it, think again. Which of these bills surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more smart money tips. Comment your biggest money mistake with autopay. Vjkhan-Family-Entertainment, your guide to smart, stress-free living.